Today we're gonna show you how to find a hole in a punctured inner tube of a bicycle. We did show you how to remove an inner tube of a bicycle wheel in another video which we will link to below. What we got to do now is to examine the punctured inner tube to locate the hole. But before we can do that, we need to fully inflate the punctured inner tube with a pump. Now, some punctures might be obvious enough to spot at close inspection. More likely though, you might be able to find where the hole is by holding up the inner tube and running it past your ear until you hear the air escape. Yet, if the leak is too small, you do need to resort to taking the tube to a sink, tub or trough to submerge it in water. That way you can easily see where the air bubbles are leaking from. So in this instance the hole is easy to spot as a steady flow of bubbles is coming up. Once you have located the hole, mark it with chalk or colored felt pen so you can't lose it. In this video we did examine a punctured 12-inch inner tube as used in kids' no-pedal balance bikes or walking bicycles or push bikes like Puky. But the procedure works for all bikes. You just need a larger water basin, or you need to pull the tube through the water segment by segment. We trust you did find this information useful. Do leave us a comment below and feel free to subscribe to HaBe Cheetah.